Section 194Q of the Income Tax Act, 1961, introduced on July 1, 2021, mandates tax deducted at source, TDS, on the purchase of goods. Applies to buyers whether turnover, gross receipts, or sales exceeding rupees 10 crore rupees in the previous financial year, purchasing goods worth over rupees 50 lakh rupees from a resident Indian seller in a financial year. TDS rate, 0.1% on the purchase value exceeding 50 lakh rupees if the seller provides a valid PAN. 5% if the seller fails to furnish PAN details. Time of deduction of TDS. TDS is to be deducted at a time when such an amount is credited to the account of the seller or paid to him, whichever is earlier. Impact on GST on TDS calculation. Calculation of turnover excluding GST is to be considered for the calculation of rupees 50 lakhs. Calculation of TDS at the rate of 0.1% only on the value of the goods, services excluding GST. Time of deduction of TDS. The TDS is to be deducted at a time when such an amount is credited to the account of the seller or paid to him, whichever is earlier. Exception. Section 194Q would not apply where the TDS is to be deducted under any other provision of the Act. TCS is collectible under Section 206C other than Section 206C, 1H, non-compliance penalty. If the buyer fails to comply with the TDS provisions U.S. 194Q, they may be subjected to the disallowance of expenditure. 30% of the transaction value will be disallowed on non-deduction or non-payment of TDS. Thank you.